Hello YouTube, I'm Freedom from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So we're gonna change this photo into this. So this is the first video of the photo editing series of PicsArt, and the tutorial is about face fixing and pimple acne removal. So we're gonna choose blemish fix in Beautify, and we're gonna fix the blemishes on the skin. So make sure that the size of the brush should be almost the size of the blemishes, otherwise it won't work really well, and you should only fix those blemishes that are really visible, otherwise you will get a smooth fake looking skin. So yeah, do this until all the blemishes that are highly visible are removed, and then click on the tick mark in the top corner and then choose face fix. So this is a brush that smoothens the skin. Now you can paint this over all the part of the skin. This area will be smooth. So we are done with the tutorial. This was pretty easy but can help you fix your selfies, and so yeah, this is pretty easy for smooth skin. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out. I'm gonna come back with more PicsArt tutorials, so stay tuned.